Yeah, welcome to this tutorial, this video. In this video, which is going to be a very short one, we'll be learning how to access S3 bucket from our EC2 instance. That's S3 buckets from EC2 instance. So from our previous lesson, we already have these S3 buckets which we use in hosting this website, and here we don't have any instance here, so we'll be doing this quick so that it can be faster. I remember I showed you how to use Terraform to actually create an instance. So in this particular instance, there are a lot of things we don't need. For example, we don't need this provisioning. Like we don't need it, so we just need this. Understand? We only need this, and maybe all of this we can leave it. That's opening the spots for us. So I will save this. I don't want to do plan. I'll just do Terraform, apply, auto approve, and let's hope there won't be nothing. It won't be showing me any error. Just create our instance quickly, and I'll be showing you how to connect it and able to access it. Okay, it's creating two. Let's go. Okay, our instance is ready. So I will just try to access it from here. This is where my key pair lies. I'll remove this. So give me access. Yes. So I'm in. So the first thing I'll have to do is to install AWS. So this is what I use to install AWS, but you can go to AWS CLI, install, and get your commands from there. So let's check that our EC2 is up and running. You can see it, and it's CentOS, not Ubuntu. So quickly you can go to Linux, and you see it's the same thing, but first, just like as my own, you have to first install unzip. Yeah, so let's quickly do that. Sudo yum, it's not Ubuntu, so use yum. Install unzip. please use, okay. Okay, I think it's already ready. So let's copy this and let's install. So let's check if AWS CLI is already installed. Yes, it's installed. So the next thing we do is we go to our console. Let me just duplicate this. Here you search for AMI. Search for IAM. And click go to rows. In rows, you create your own row. Make sure it's AWS service. Then you choose EC2. And click on next. Here you search for, we're looking for permission policy. Just search for S3. This one is AWS defined policies. So search for S3. So we'll just be using this one, giving full access, Amazon S3 full access. Then next. Then you give a role name. I'll just give this role this black. No. S3 role. Then description to call AWS S3. That's the only thing we're giving it. S3 service. That's all. You see? Then create role. Created. Create role. Okay, role is created. View role. You see the role here. So the next thing we do is we go back to instance. This is our instance. We choose our instance. Then we go to action. Go to security, modify IAM role, then choose the IAM role, which is this, is black S3 role. Then update IAM role. Now we'll go back into our instance and try to see if we can access the S3 bucket by using this command. You see our bucket name here. You cannot use AWS if you don't have AWS CLI installed. Okay, and you won't be able to access the bucket if you don't do all the settings that we've done. So look at this is the bucket. Remember, where is our bucket? You can see it here. It's black bucket. Even if you want to list everything in it, all you have to do is to still use this command, and you list the buckets in it. That's the name of the bucket, which is black buckets. You see, listed everything. You can see everything in here has been listed for me. So this is a very short video, and that's the end of it. Accessing your S3 buckets in your EC2, and we're able to do this because we gave it permission in the IAM row to use it, and we allow it in instance here. Remember, modifying row. So thanks for viewing, for watching this video. Remember, we modified here. So thanks for watching, and I hope you gained something. Until the next time we meet again.